Hello, my friend. This is banana flower. Banana flower I was telling you about the other time. You see this, if you're having a high blood pressure, don't wait. Anywhere you see this, just get this banana flower. It has a lot of health benefits, a serious remedy to high blood pressure. I'm telling you for the fact. Okay, so whenever you see this, just get this. Wash it, slice it as if you're slicing onions. After slicing it, boil it, add a little of water and boil it. 10 to 15 minutes, bring it down. Allow it to cook, then sieve it. Take it, a glass of it in the morning and a glass in the night. You see, to bring down that high blood pressure. The high blood pressure causes a heart attack and stroke. So don't allow those things to start coming at you before you start taking it. Before you start taking it. Yes, you have a high blood pressure, medicines, drugs, you can take it. This is a natural remedy to it. Not just that, but some women that normally have a menstrual cramp, menstrual pains, whenever they are having their menstrual flow, this is another solution to that. Do it same way I just said now. Take a glass of it in the morning and the night, 2 days before that your menstrual flow. You see that you will have your menstrual flow so freely without any pain, without any disturbance again. Not just that, it promotes the digestive health, preventing a constipation and also preventing a cancerous growth. You can see that this has a lot of health benefits I will not be able to mention now. But don't waste this. This is a great medicine, natural medicine for all these diseases I just mentioned. Keep following me until I go your way next time. Stay close your friend. Thank you.